Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accessibility access and choosing a default grid so the app can control windows immediately. Once done, open Rectangle and enable the shortcut set you prefer. This gives you instant snapping. You should pick 1/2 or 1/3 presets to move faster, because presets reduce repeated manual resizing. Make sure to test one window movement now, using the left and right half keys, to validate shortcuts and permissions before continuing. You now focus on detailed placement. Use arrow shortcuts to snap windows to halves, thirds, or quadrants, which speeds multitasking. Once a window is placed, hold while pressing a direction to nudge in small increments. This refines alignment without dragging. If your workflow needs exact sizes, create custom presets and assign them shortcuts. This saves repeated resizing. Make sure to test chaining 2 shortcuts in sequence so you see how windows reflow together. You finish by exporting your shortcut config and locking preferred layouts so they persist across sessions. Once done, restart Rectangle after major Mac OS updates and re-enable accessibility if permission resets. This restores control quickly. If a window refuses to snap, check for app-specific exceptions or floating windows, adjust accessibility permissions, and relaunch the target app. That usually resolves it. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. A simple app restart often fixes transient permission or focus issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.